the leadership of those parties within the mountain waliniita wakaniambia, you are you are our senior, can you bring us together kwa sababu kwa mlima kuko na shida. And from there we started meeting. Ordinary Kenyans took part in this, and we ended up with the Limuru 3, the way you have seen it. Nyinyi wanasiasa wako bugeni, you may be looking for your colleagues and you are not seeing the former ones other than these ones. This was not a political, hii haikuwa viongozi wa siasa ambayo mmezoea. Ni wa Kenya kutoka mlima who decided to hold themselves together and bring people together so that they can speak together. Wakati tulikuwa tunafanya maandamano, and even before, kuna kitu hamkuelewa ya mlima. The freedom of association, even the freedom of expression was taken away by UDA. And they took it away this way. You try and go and you are not part of UDA to address a church congregation anywhere, you are heckled. Ukienda kwa masishi, you are heckled. Even ukifanya makosa ya masishi ya your own family member, uite watu ya UDA, they will heckle you. And if you can't remember, we were with Baba at Kinangop, where we had gone to bury. Mnakumbuka? Ilikuwa si brigadier, ilikuwa bibia Kimathi. And my good friend, I call him Fred because ya siasa, Kwenya, organized for my being heckled without knowing that bibia Kimathi was actually my mother. And I keep asking Kwenya, how on earth would you organize people to heckle me in my mother's burial? So you may not have known how difficult it was in the mountain for us, and all this was undone by having the Limuru 3. Tangu Limuru 3, mlima imebadilika kabisa. This week Governor Dito was telling me, na ni vizuri uelewe, pale Nyahururu somebody tried to go, kwa sababu huyu jamaa amekibia kila pahali akisema pole, nimetubu nisamehe. So somebody took it upon himself to take that gospel to Nyahururu and say to answer. He was echoed now. The other way. It's the other way around. He was echoed. Ambia huyo na shida yao, shauria yao. So outside even the resolutions that we have here as Limuru 3, the major achievement is that we have gotten back our freedom to associate and our freedom to express ourselves. That was not there, and you not know how. These two gentlemen, they have struggled, and we really, I really admire them. They are young, they have a future in the community, watakuwa viongozi. They just need to remain firm in what they believe in. Baba, you took part and you led us with the Azimio team in defending our ability to have a political vehicle in the name of Jubilee. Kama sio hiyo vita ulitupigania, hii chama inaitwa Jubilee wangekuwa wamefanya nini? Wameshukua. Na ndio tunasema kama wanakuja kusema pole na mambo mengine mengi, kwanza warudishe Jubilee. They should withdraw those cases they have in court. They should not just think that we are idiots at the level ya kucheza na sisi. So I thought it is important that we know that when they went out and said that we are shareholders, it actually depressed people in the mountain. And we continued asking ourselves, how do we get ourselves from this mess? When we did the NADICO, it was then that the whole issue of Limuru 3 was born. And it is not a meeting that was meant to say that we are on our own or we need to do things separately without the others. No, it was to actually say that zile shida ambao wa Kenya wako nazo pia sisi katika mlima tuko nazo. When we say one man, one vote, one shilling, I think it is necessary for people to get it. We are not saying that you take anything from Turkana and bring to Mount Kenya. Ile inaenda Turkana iendelee. Na kama wataongezwa waongezwe. Lakini pia ile haikuji kwetu ambayo national government imekalia ikuje kwa mlima. So we are not saying that we take anything from anybody. And again, we have one of the member of the county assembly ya Kiambu, Odhis, Atasalimiana tu kwa mdomo, huko na mdomo kubwa. Nzuri. I wanted him to say something kwa sababu he is an MCA in Ruiru. Ruiru is given as an example across the country that because of the size of the population and the little resources that are going there. So when we say that resources go to Ruiru, hatusemi siende kwa Mkikuyu, huyu si Mkikuyu. There is now a very exerted effort. Quite some effort is being made by some people to try and isolate a mountain like it was done back in the 2007 of 41 against 1. And they are saying because we went to Limuru na tukaongea maneno ambayo ni yetu na si ya wa Kenya. And that is why we really want to thank you, Baba, and the whole of the Orange team for giving us an opportunity to present our resolutions of Limuru 3 to you, so that you can now see and the whole country can see that nothing was agreed at Limuru that was meant to exclude any other person in the country, or there is nothing we are saying we want to discuss among ourselves at the exclusion or in the exclusion of any other person in this community. That is the big and the small about ni kila kitu ya Limuru. When you talk about the one man one vote thing, it is there. You were the BBI, it was Baba. Na wale walisema ati BBI ilikuwa ya kutengenezea Baba ofisi, sasa ndio wanasema BBI ni mzuri. So you can see the hypocrisy and the folly. Goja kidogo ndio mrithi. Ya pili, when you talk about political mobilization, without a political party, we cannot be useful even to any other political outfit in the country. So when the Jubilee is killed among other parties, we are being denied an opportunity for us to organize ourselves and join others politically to determine the destiny of our community and of this nation. So it was also important for us at Limuru to address that issue. Ya tatu, you have seen our ladies here ambao wamemkaribisha Baba. At the beginning of this year, we had a team of about 20 82, 83, 80, 70-year-old ladies who were arrested by the UDA government na wakawekwa ndani police cells from the 1st of January to the 30th of January. Why? Because they were found practicing their cultural practices. Wakaambiwa kwamba hawa ni mogeki. So if we didn't organize ourselves in form of a community to say enough is enough, UDA was determined to eliminate us kabisa. Ukiona mama wa miaka 82 akiwekwa ndani na kuitwa mogeki, then it's upon you to know what was next. And finally, hii finance bill imewauma wa Kenya wote kila pahali. Avocado inakuswa zaidi Murang'a kuliko kwingineko. If we did not come around and start telling Kenyans, if you don't say no to these taxation measures from our region, we were going to be taxed even more heavily. Sasa ingine iko kwa meza na tumeambiwa it is still targeting a number of businesses there, and it is informed by one statement that was made by William Ruto at Kasarani, and he said we now have come to the time when we start taxing wealth and not income. That is what has created havoc in the mountain, because they are looking for anybody who has wealth to tax. It is not proper. We believe it is being targeted, and it is for that reason that we had the Limuru 3 and we came up with resolutions that we would want to present to you, perhaps tukifika pale kwa jukwaa, lakini pia resolutions that we are also taking now to the mashinani. Now that you have received this document, next week 11th we are in Murang'a. We are calling it Limuru 3 Machinani. We are in Murang'a. We are going to Limuru 3 Machinani, Nyeri. We have a date. I was there yesterday. I saw the hall, I saw the place will be. Na tulikuwa Nyahururu pia, and we have also a date in Nakuru as we head towards Meru and all the counties, and Kajiado. We have Manje who will be organizing for us in Kajiado. but we'll also be going to Kisii kukutana na Governor Simba Arati, because we want to present this document to Governor Simba Arati kule Kisii. Kwa hayo mengi